Do you like a gated community, swimming pool home, a new construction, and no CDD community here in Central Florida? This new construction home that I'm gonna show you and to you right now is the best fit for you. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go! Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. My nickname is RJ, your favorite incredible realtor with LPT Realty, specializing in new construction here in Central Florida. Also, a quick summary of our channel. If you don't know, we upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time a new construction VIP tour just for you, and also a new construction deal that you don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe and smash that like button for me to make this video super good, right? And I will give more motivation to make some video for you. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Welcome to Ashby Grand by Pulte Homes. I love Pulte Homes, one of my top favorite builder around the area. Why? Because you will see it right now. So in this particular home, this is the Grand. They have two different models, the Ashby and also the Ashby Grand. So this one is a Grand. You will have a two-story in this particular home. However, as soon as you come in this particular home, you will see this wide entrance and also just over 9-foot ceiling height, which is a very good ceiling height. And now we are here on the half bathroom of the home, and also you will see this linen closet. And this particular home is just over 3,200 square footage, and also 4 to 5 bedrooms, which you can modify, or 3.5 bathroom to 5 bathroom if you like to, right? However, we are here in the kitchen area. What I love about this, you will have this upgrade as you like. If you want to, you will have a tiles or fully tiles backsplash there, a gas range here, or a fully lined gas range, this quartz long center island table with very good deep ceiling sink there, right? And now we are here in the main home, or I would say the main living room area, and also your dining area, which is an open concept floor plan, which is I love on each home. Later on, I will show you this backyard. You will see there was a swimming pool. I love swimming pool, but I will show you that later. However, as soon as you turn left here, this is gonna be your master bedroom. The master bedroom, the size of this, or estimated size of this, is about 12 by 15, right? As you can see it here, you can fit a king size bed here or a queen size, and at the back of your bedroom, you can have that swimming pool view or backyard view of your room, which is you will have a plenty of space on this particular bedroom. Now we are heading here in the ensuite bathroom. You will have his and her sink with white quartz countertop here, and also what you will see here is this beautiful ensuite bathroom shower area. Look how spacious is this, right? What I love about this and caught my eye is a fully tiled shower area there, a very spacious shower area which you can enjoy while you know using this home or while you're living in this home. Now here is the master ensuite walk-in closet, which you will have a plenty of space to enjoy for you to put all your clothes and stuff like that, right? And you will have an extra linen closet there on the bathroom. So now we are heading to the other bedroom. This is the other or second bedroom in the home, and the size of this bedroom is 12 by 11. You can use this as your kids bedroom or baby's bedroom or a guest bedroom if you like to. You will have a plenty of space there. You will also have an extra linen closet there, and this is gonna be your shared bathroom. You will have a single sink here, white quartz countertop, and also a fully tiled shower area there and a bathtub. And now this is gonna be the another bedroom, or that I would say the third bedroom in the house. You will have the size of this one is 12 by 11. You can fit a queen size bed there or a king size bed, whichever you prefer, and you will still have a lot of space inside of your home. And what I love about this is this part, right? What they put about the sliding door towards to your backyard or towards to your patio is this big sliding door with massive transparent window that you can see right outside. So you will have a large entrance there, and this particular area, this is gonna be your patio or covered patio, and this is your swimming pool area. You can have this swimming pool if you like to build it from the builder. You can have that, or one of my tip is if you're going to build a home, don't build the swimming pool with with the builder because it will cost you a lot. Otherwise, I do have a lot of contacts that he could help you to build your swimming pool after you own this property or after you close this property. So it will save you a lot of money unless you don't mind having, spending money on the builder side, which is, it's up to you. And now we are heading here on the pantry area, which is the side of the kitchen. You will have a good pantry area here, and this is gonna be your laundry area. The washer and dryer will be negotiable on this builder, and this is gonna be your 3-car garage. Look how big is your garage is. If you have multiple cars, this home is the perfect fit for you. And you will have another closet here or another storage underneath of your stairs, right? So if you imagine, if you're gonna build this from the ground or from the scratch, this is the HB only. If you're gonna have the ground, you will have a second floor, and this is gonna be the second floor. Once again, this is a model home. So this model home is fully upgraded, and as soon as you come here on the second floor, you will have this big loft area, or I would say you can enjoy on your second floor area. You can have this as your guest loft second room area. You will have a lot of space here to enjoy and to relax as well. And this is gonna be your AC room. On this room, if you have a 2-floor, you will have a 2 AC. As you can see it here, what they use here, the AC brand was Linux, one of my top brand for the AC. It will last long. And now this is gonna be another bedroom for you, or the last bedroom here on the upstairs. The size of this bedroom is 11 by 12, which you can still have a closet here and a good size for your son, for your daughter, or whoever will use the property. And this is gonna be the shared bathroom. You will have a his and her sink, and also a fully tiled shower area there, a toilet, and a bathtub. Plus, you will have a linen closet here on the second floor. Look how spacious is this, right? Very good on the second floor if you want, or if you have like a guest, or you can use this guest bedroom on the second floor. That's a good stuff for you. And now we are talking about the point of interest and also where the location of this particular home. So this location is between the Clermont and Montverde, and this particular community, as well as a bonus for you, they don't charge any CDD. So no CDD on this particular community. If you're looking to have a no CDD community, this is the one for you. And also the HOA here will cover the internet and also the common grass in the area. Plus, you will have a gated community and also a swimming pool as well, which you have paid and cover that for $160 a month, which is a good value if you are going to live here, especially in a gated community itself, right? So that is the location. And the last one that I would like to talk about here is the private school, and the last one that I would like to talk about here is the private school called Montverde Academy. If you haven't heard about the Montverde Academy, this particular school is offering a private school for your kids, right? They offer a lot of good academic stuff, academic subjects for your kids or your children, and they are offering from lower school, middle school, and also high school, right? So this is gonna be a private school, so a lot of students would like to enroll in this particular school. Is just because of the high demand of this school. They have a really good ranking on the school zone or school system in this particular school. So if you are planning to enroll your kid here, expect to be on the line first, because you need to wait on the waiting list before your son or your children or your daughter get enrolled here in Montverde Academy, which is a very good school. And the distance of this particular school to the community itself is just about 2.3 miles away and about 6 minutes away from the community itself. It's a very good and very close community on this particular school to the area itself. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful and useful, and if you have any comment, or if I don't tackle or if I don't discuss anything, feel free to comment your thoughts below. And also, if you stay here in this video until this end, comment new home so I could see how many people who watch my video, and I appreciate your time watching our video for this time, and I appreciate your time watching our video. Until next time, I'll see you on my next one. I'm out for now. Peace. Do I look good? Yeah, look good, right? Peace. Bye.